Welcome. Today we're focusing on harnessing the power of your mind and body to promote healing. Whether you're recovering from an injury, a pulled muscle, or simply want to support your body's natural healing processes, this meditation will guide you in directing energy and attention to where it's needed most. When we combine relaxation, visualization, and intention, we create an environment for our body to heal more effectively. Let's begin this journey of restoration and renewal. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Take another deep breath in, feeling your body settle into the space you're in, and exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or discomfort. Now, bring your attention to the points of contact your body makes with the surface beneath you. Feel grounded, supported, and safe. As you breathe naturally, bring your awareness to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly scan downward, noticing any areas of tension, discomfort, or injury. When you reach the area that needs healing, pause. Acknowledge this part of your body with kindness and compassion. It's working hard to restore itself, and your attention can support that process. Imagine a warm golden light appearing above you, radiating gentle healing energy. With each inhale, visualize this light entering your body, traveling down to the area in need of healing. See this golden light enveloping the affected area, soothing it, and bringing relief. Picture it mending tissues, calming inflammation, and restoring strength. If you like, you can imagine the cells in this area becoming vibrant and healthy, working harmoniously to repair. On each exhale, release any tension, discomfort, or negative energy from the area. Visualize these leaving your body like a dark mist, dissolving into the air around you. Let's take the next 5 minutes to focus on your breath and healing. Inhale deeply for a count of 5, drawing in the golden light of healing. Hold your breath gently for a count of 7, directing this energy to the area of concern. Then, exhale slowly for a count of 7, releasing tension and expelling a cloud of discomfort or stagnation. Repeat this cycle, allowing each breath to guide you deeper into relaxation and renewal. Begin. Inhale the healing light. Hold, directing that light to the injured area. Exhale the dark mist, releasing it completely. Inhale the light. Hold, sending the light to the injury. Exhale the dark cloud, letting it dissolve away. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale the light. Hold, feeling the light flowing into the injured area. Exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you from the injured area. Inhale the healing light. Hold, directing that light to the injured area. Exhale the dark mist, releasing it completely. Inhale the light. Hold, Hold, sending the light to the injury. Exhale the dark cloud, letting it dissolve away. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale the light. Hold, feeling the light flowing into the injured area. Exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you from the injured area. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale the healing light. Hold, directing that light to the injured area. Exhale the dark mist, releasing it completely. Inhale the light. Hold, sending the light to the injury. Exhale the dark cloud, letting it dissolve away. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale the light. Hold, feeling the light flowing into the injured area. Exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you from the injured area. Inhale the healing light. Hold, directing that light to the injured area. Exhale the dark mist, releasing it completely. Last one. Inhale the light. Hold, sending the light to the injury. Exhale the dark cloud, letting it dissolve away. Great job. Slowly return your breathing to normal. Silently repeat these affirmations. My body is healing with every breath I take. I trust my body's ability to restore itself. I send love and gratitude to this part of my body. Let these words resonate within you, strengthening your connection to the healing process. As the golden light continues to shine within you, imagine it spreading throughout your entire body. Feel it filling you with warmth, balance, and vitality. Now we'll move into a powerful visualization to support your healing. With your breath steady and your body relaxed, let's shift your focus to imagining the injured area as fully healed and vibrant. Picture it as strong, healthy, and functioning perfectly. Visualize yourself using this part of your body effortlessly and without discomfort. See yourself engaging in activities you enjoy. Walking, running, lifting, or stretching, whatever feels meaningful to you. Take a few moments now to fully picture yourself healed, doing whatever you've longed to do. I will guide you back soon. Take a moment to thank your body for all it does for you. Express gratitude for its resilience and strength. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of healing and renewal with you throughout your day, knowing that your body is working with you every step of the way.